afternoon, everyone. My name is NIDHI PAI. In the recently released UPSC Civil Services 2022 result, I've secured All India rank 110. This is my third attempt at this exam, and this was my second interview. The reason why I didn't clear in my second attempt was my score in optional was extremely less, and after that, this attempt, I'm not still aware of what my marks are because our mark sheets are not out yet. But I'm sure the rank is, one of the reasons for the rank is definite improvement in the score of my optional, which is Anthropology. And I think I have to thank Vishnu sir a lot because he's given a lot of personalized time for the optional in the 3 months between prelims and mains. I used to come every week and write the test. So I think a special thank you to you, sir. And all of you are preparing for the exam, so I wish all of you all the best, and I'm sure all of you someday will definitely make it to your desired service, and all of us would like to work together someday.